Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can fund your 401k retirement accounts for free. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Ernesto from Attaboy Cowboy, and on this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be successful. And today I'm talking to you from Anchorage, Alaska. Right behind me, those are all great glaciers in the background that are unfortunately all melting because of global warming. Nonetheless, it's a beautiful environment, and I just wanted to share with you a great tip I have that helped me bring me here in the first place. First off, I'm here because I rented my bedroom on Airbnb, and I was able to get enough from renting my bedroom for a few weeks to pay for my plane tickets and my trip to come up here to Alaska. Now, my tip for funding your 401k for free is I was talking to one of my friends and he says, "Hey, Ernesto, I want to save up some money. I want to build up some capital. I don't have any money. I don't have any extra revenue. How can I get some money to fund my retirement accounts?" And I said, well, most of us have a couch. So why don't you rent your couch on Airbnb? So what I did was I took my own advice and I rented my couch in Los Angeles for $50 a night. So people come into town, they go to Disneyland, they go to Universal Studios, they go to museums. Some people just come out to go drinking or go dancing or something. Whatever the case may be, they rent my couch. And if you do the math, $50 a night is about $1,500 a month. If you multiply that by 12, it's about $18,000. That's about enough to fund your 401k. So if you don't have any extra cash and you're looking for a way to invest, that's a great way to save some money for your future. So you can have a retirement, and that way you can have some capital to be able to get loans for real estate. So remember, to get into investing, the banks want to see that you have some money and that you know how to manage it. So one of the first steps to buying real estate is to save money in retirement accounts, because a lot of times they want to see that you have 6 months of savings to cover your mortgage in case you have some kind of problem, like you lose your job or your work gets slow or you get furloughed or whatever the case might be, or even if you get sick. So if you figure 6 months on a $2,000 mortgage, that's about $24,000. So if you save just a little over a year of from money that you make renting your couch, you're going to have enough to cover that. You'll be able to get mortgage loans. So it's an easy way to do it. Now, the second thing is, my friend said, well, hey, I don't want to give up my privacy. I don't really want to share my space. Well, to be honest with you, I have people coming in and out of my house all the time. And I would say I see maybe 2-3 people a month at most. So that means about 80-90% of the people, I never see them. They also want their privacy. So what I do is I have a couch and I strung a curtain around it. So they come in, they close the curtain, and they don't make any noise. I go about my business, they go about their business. A lot of times people just want to do their thing. They're not really interested in getting in your way or you getting in theirs. So I rarely see them. I just usually get a text about how to get there, how to check in, and I'll get a text on how to get out. Good night and thank you for having me. So it's not an intrusion at all. I haven't had any issues. So I totally recommend it, and it's a good way to get investing and to get you to beautiful places like this so you can get some freedom. The more you give up on the short term, the more you're going to have on the long term. You're going to have more freedom. You're going to have more ability to go to nice places like this. Thank you for listening. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.